Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. A quick update. This is actually a video I shot yesterday. Participating in a collaboration with my friends over at Kitchen Queers. It's called #Quarantine Cooking. The rules are you have to use food that is currently in the house. You can't run to the store. It can be from the freezer or the cabinet. You can do cereal if you want. #Quarantine Cooking. If you click on that link, it'll take you to a site where you'll be able to see all the other cooks and see what everybody did. So this video is going to roll here in a sec, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. I was going through the freezer the other day, trying not to go to the store like everybody else, and I found frozen chicken in there. So I don't believe I've ever done a spatchcocked chicken video before, so I thought it would be a good time. I'm going to cook it on Angus, my pellet grill today, and it's going to be delicious. So we'll get inside here in a sec, get it prepped up, and get to cooking. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Got a nice, I wouldn't say crispy, but a nice brown skin on this thing. I ran this at 255 degrees for the first hour, and then I did turn it up to 275 for the last 20 minutes just to kind of brown it up a little bit. So I want to kind of see what we have here. I already found out that this pulled off right away when I tried to get it off the grill. Take a look at one of these thighs. Man, you talk about melting your mouth. Absolutely delicious. That Steve shake on there, I used the Gator shake this time. It was perfect. Got a little bit of a tone of a citrus on that. But man, these actually, these thighs went to almost 200 degrees, about 199. And I find that to be pretty common to get the legs and the thighs done. So yeah, that's fall off the bone tender. Let's take a quick peek at one of these breasts. Oh yeah, see the wing just pulls right off. I'm going to turn this around a little bit. Oof. I don't know if you can see how juicy that is, but holy cow, it's just oozing with juice and flavor. So, it just melts in your mouth. It's perfect chicken. It's delicious. Another success. It's a really basic, easy recipe with the social distancing. It's something I pulled out of the freezer. I couldn't have been happier. This is better than any Safeway chicken you're going to buy. Wow, delicious. I hope you're all staying safe. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And we'll see you next time.